to KayTReacts. Pony? Is it a pony? Doesn't know what he's missing out on. Hey guys, and welcome back to KayTReacts. We're here today with Starship and their new girl group, KiiiKiii. KiiiKiii, do you love me? Are you riding? That song came to my mind. Anyways, so this is Starship's new girl group. I know nothing about them. I don't even know how many members they are. I just know they dropped this 3 days ago, I think it was, or was it today? Let me check. No, they dropped this 5 hours ago. I think I mixed up the hours and days. Yeah, so I added this in my watch list 2 hours ago, and it said 3 hours. It came out 3 hours, and I mistakenly took it for 3 days. Anyways, so yeah, so they just released this on a Sunday. This will be coming out tomorrow or the day after. Depends on when I do my editing. Yeah. Um, I'm just curious about this actually, because I know nothing about them. My curiosity is piqued. I can't remember a Starship Girl group in like forever long. It's been a long time. Anyways, I'm talking too much, so let's just get right into the video. Let's go. I am loving bring back the 3 minute songs. Like yes, more of that. Oh, cattle, cattle, sheep, sheep, sheep. Where are we? The Himalayas? Okay. So they're on a farm in the Himalayas. I think this is the Himalayas. I could definitely be wrong. This seems like the same place where I could be wrong. I could definitely be wrong. It seems like the same place where like aespa and Rise filmed their MVs. I think Rise was Memories and aespa was Welcome to My World. I could be wrong. If you know, just comment down below. Okay. Her voice is, you know, I love my deep voices. If you know me, you know I love my deep voices. Ooh, is she Japanese? She looks Japanese. Short hair girl, she looks Japanese. Her face is so small. Oh, this is so like cute. It feels very summery, but it's not. It's the winter now, but it feels very uplifting and very summer vibes. Her voice, like, she is giving cool girl deep voice. Yes, girl. She looks like I don't know why, but whenever there's a new group, I'm always like comparing their faces to other idols. Just like a new debut group. It's just like a thing I do. I don't know why. I did the same for aespa. I was like, uh Ning looked like Sheng Sheng Thung Thung. How do you pronounce her name? Shengha, the Sheena girl. She looks like her and Jenny mixed into one. I remember making that assumption with Ning. Anyways, and how Winter looks like Taeyong from from Girls' Generation. So this girl reminds me of thought left my head. She reminds me of somebody. Oh my god, there's that face reminds me of somebody. This face, I cannot pinpoint it. It looks like somebody. If you know, let me know. Because I am telling you, the face is right there in my head. I've seen this face somewhere before. I have seen this face somewhere before. It's not Youngji. The voice maybe, but not the face. Maybe Youngji. No. Mm-mm. Who is this face remind me of? It's gonna kill me inside. Uh, it's a very cute song. It's so adorable. How old are they? Cute. Oh, ew! Get that off your face, girl. Oh my god, no. I hate bugs. Like I hate bugs. Oh my god, you just have that thing. Oh my gosh, she looks like somebody too. Like there's like these moments they have that they look like somebody and I don't know why. Too. You know what? Let's move on to with Envy. It really reminds me of somebody. She and the deep voice girl. She is given ethereal. This girl, the short hair girl, she's given ethereal. Like she's in a different place. They're all so adorable. Oh, you hurt yourself? No. Not the sword. The girl with the short hair is very mesmerizing to me. Like, visually, I think she's my fave. Voice-wise, deep girl, where's she? Her. Deep voice girl, her. Right here. She's my fave voice-wise. Visually, short hair girl is my fave. Right now, at least. There she is. Like the setting, the MV setting is so great. Like it's awesome. The whole vibe, love it. Song's a girl. It's gonna grow on me. She's adorable. Look at her. She's cute. I'm gonna look up these names later. Right after this MV. This is surrealist. The venue, the location is seriously reminding me. Where is this? Does it say where this is? I love how they're like put in the girl groups. I love how like today at least. I love how they're putting like everyone who was involved in the MV in the credits. It doesn't say where this is, huh? Grapher, grip, drone, colorist, director, A&R. Oh, there are the names. So there's a Sue, there's a Sui, there's a Hum, there's a GU, there's a Lisol, and there's a Kya. Yeah. 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 Oh, whoops. Okay, so that was KiiiKiii, everyone. Let me look up their names real quick. Like names and faces. KiiiKiii. KiiiKiii, do you love me? Song wise, it's a pretty okay song. It's very, that summer type feel, it's not summertime, but it has that summertime feel, and it's very like, like just friends outdoors having fun. They're very in tune with nature kind of vibes. Especially the short hair girl, she's very etheric. She seems like very ethereal, like visually. That's why I think she's like my fave visually, at least. KiiiKiii. Okay, so according to K-pop Wiki, because that's where I get all my new information from new groups. This is a five-member girl group from Starship Entertainment. They will make. Oh, so this is a pre-release. It says they will make their debut on March 24. Oh, I don't even know the name of this song. Hmm. Oh, I do me. Okay. So they will make their debut on March 24 with the EP Gem, Uncut Gem. Um February 12th, it was reported that KiiiKiii will debut sometime in March. On February 16th, announced their debut on Concept. And today, which is February 16th, they released I Do Me. Okay, okay, okay. No faces to names? Huh. Why the hell not? Okay, K-pop profiles. Okay. So Lee Sol. Okay, there's Lee Sol. Sui. I wonder if the girl that I thought was Japanese is Japanese because she looks Japanese. She's Korean. Oh, maybe it's the short hair that was giving me Japanese feels. Okay, yes, girl, you slay queen. Okay, so she's Korean. Jiu. Her name is Jiu. And the deep voiced girl, where's she at? Kia. Kia. She Korean too, right? Yeah. Okay, okay. And the girl whose face I couldn't pinpoint, she looks like somebody. Was it Diesel? Diesel? I think it was Diesel. She reminds me of somebody. Anyway, so yeah. That would be it for my reaction. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment down any suggestions you have, and subscribe to my video. Also, I post videos every day except on the weekends. Yeah, that's it. So see you guys next time. Bye.